Can you see the question, please? Please kindly see the question. Hello? I already shared. Good evening, everyone. Shall I start the class, please? Ready? Ilavarsan, Sarmila, Kritika, can you inform the group? Class started, beta. Quickly inform in the group that class started, please. Now, beta, I'm going to solve this question. This is an important question for you. So let's start the question first. Now, look at beta. In this question, what is given? Triangle. In this concept, Tarun, good evening. Sophie, Tarun, Ilavarsan, Sharmila, Kritika. Thank you so much, Tarun. God bless you, beta. Now, what is given in the question? Now, look here. What part is given to you? First, to check that part out. Beta, this is the triangle, and they told that ST is parallel to QR. Understood? Jotam, start solving. Don't wait. Now, what is given to you? ST is parallel to QR. Now, Jotam, if ST is parallel to QR, this part is parallel to this one. Then with this, what will happen by BPT theorem? This by this equal to this by this. Come on, say, is it so? Yes or no? Why? By which theorem, beta? BPT. BPT is called as basic proportionality theorem. What it is called as, beta? Basic proportionality theorem. Very good. It is called as basic proportionality theorem. Okay, no problem. Basic proportionality theorem. Now, beta, look here. PS is coming, so it is exactly called as what? Basic proportionality theorem. Now, we'll start this part, but what they are telling is to find. So, first we will write, since in solution section, what you are going to write, beta? What is our triangle? The inverted triangle is there. What they have given? They have given that TS is parallel to RQ. TS is parallel to RQ. So if TS is parallel to RQ, okay, Pranav. Good evening, Pranav. Now look here, Jay. I remember your Jay name, so Pranav you told, so I got confused. So now TS is parallel to RQ. So TS is parallel to RQ means, beta, by BPT theorem directly write by basic proportionality theorem. BPT. BPT is called basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. What will be there, beta? We will write PT by, so this side by that side, TR equal to PS by SQ. So now PT by TR means 3 by 2 is equal to PS by SQ. SQ is 3. So PS is equal to, shift this side, 3 3s are 9 by 2. So answer is coming as how much, beta? 4.5 centimeter. Did you got this point? खाने में आदमी को खाती हूँ मैं, एनिमल ईटर, ह्यूमन ईटर. Understood, beta? I'm a pakka vegetarian idiot. Now look here, beta. PT by TR is equal to PS by SQ. PT by TR is equal to PS by SQ. Happy birthday. No? Now look here, beta. Did you understood? So 3 by 2 is equal to dash by, so 4.5 it is coming. How much it is coming, beta? 4.5. Yes, I am going to teach again, Kritika. So, Jotam, can you explain this one, beta? What is parallel to which one? See, we know that in similar triangle, parallel, if one parallel line is drawn to any one of the side of the triangle, then, thank you so much. So, now this by this equal to this by this. Understood? The sides, the corresponding sides will be proportional. The corresponding sides will be proportional. So that means if any line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then corresponding to other two sides, what do you call it, is intersecting the other two sides, then the two sides will be cut in the same ratio. The two sides will be cut in what ratio, beta? Same ratio. It will be cut into same ratio. Jai, good evening, beta. Now look here. Get ready for this one. Okay, Tarun? Me too. Now look here, beta. So ST parallel to QR. This is done, Jotam. So shall we go for the next question, beta? This one is done, noted. Did you drew it? Correct? Very good. Did you drew it? The question given to you is this one. They have exactly, just I'm inverting it. So here it is P, and this is Q, and this is R, and this is the line drawn parallel. So which line is drawn? P side and Q side. It is exactly coming as S, and this part is T. So if this is parallel to this one, then according to BPT theorem, if this is parallel to this, then corresponding sides, this by this equal to this by this, and this is what we wrote: PT by TR, PT by TR, PS by SQ, PS by SQ, and whatever sides were given, we just wrote it. Yes, understood. Shall we go for the next question, children? Ready for the next one? Now look a bit up. What is the next question given to you? Come on, go for these two questions, and your time starts now. This time you are going to solve Chennai. Come on, solve this question, beta. Come on, try this question, right? Jotam understood, beta? Sarna understood? Praveen understood, beta? Come on, go for it, beta. Try this question, solve it. Vishwa, got it, beta? Another Vishwa is having what you call some festival in village. Ovian is absent today. Exam was there. How was the exam today? Tomorrow AI exam is there, no? For you also AI is there. Okay. Nothing. I will tell go. Now look here, beta. So in this question, PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. Then they are telling find QC in one. First question, what we have to find? QC. Jotam, will you be able to solve? Ashish? Beta, this by this equal to this by this. Take this as X. Mahalakshmi, everyone, come on, start solving the question, please. Hello, Vinay. Right now, 10th standard is there, beta. Vishwa done? What is the answer, beta? First question. Jotam, Vishwa taking too much time today, yaar. Come on, Divya. Huh? 2.6. Where is... hey, today I am not getting Ashwita, Tapashwini. Yes, Dhanna Ram Vishnoi. Your name, beta? 2.6. Absolutely correct, beta. So what we are going to write? For the first question I am solving, what is given? PQ is parallel to BC. Given? Correct, now? So by BPT theorem, this is given, Praveen. By BPT theorem, yesterday you got met with accident, Praveen. Are you all right now? Okay. Now look here, beta. So by BPT, basic proportionality theorem, by BPT, this, what is there? AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. Okay. So 1.5 by 3 equal to 1.3 by X. QC we are taking it as X. So X is equal to 1.3 into 3 by 1.5. Is it done, beta? So 1.5 will go down. So it is coming as 1 and 0.5. So here it is coming as 13 and 0.5. After decimal is there, so it will become 13 by 5. 13 by 5. If you want to solve it, it is coming as 2.6 centimeter. So first answer is coming as 2.6 centimeter. Vinay, absolutely correct, beta. Okay. Yes. Done na beta. This part is done. Second one, Jotam, Ashish, can you tell me the second question, beta? Vishwa, Saturday, tomorrow. You have school? Full day. Sunday? Sunday you don't have school. Nobody is having school on Sunday. That time I am going to teach you that circle part. You and one more idiot is there, na? She is my student only. Tapashwini is also my student. Okay, very good. Ashmita has given the answer 2.6 and 4.65. Jotam, what is the second answer, yaar? This part is missing, na? Again, this time what we are going to write? See, in shortcut, only this much you write in the examination. Jeevitan, what is given, beta? PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. Jeevitan, tomorrow school is there? No, directly Monday school is there. Okay, then tomorrow we'll practice. Morning itself we will start practicing. Okay, so now look here, beta. PQ is parallel to BC. So now, beta, PQ is parallel to BC. Then by which theorem? Basic proportionality theorem. Come here. Basic proportionality theorem. What we are going to write? 3 by 6. What is our basic proportionality theorem? Says that AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. So it will become 3 by 6 is equal to X by 5.3. So 3 into 5.3 by 6 is equal to X. So now beta here it will become 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Correct? So now look here. 3 twos are 6 means 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 25, 26. 2 fives are 10. 2.65 centimeter. 2.65 centimeter. I think 2.65 centimeter is coming, or 4.65 centimeter. 5, 5, 25. Check though. It is 2.65. One time check, beta. Oh, very nice. Yes, Vinay, answer is coming as 2.65. Yes, Sharmila, please kindly check your answer. Sophia, please kindly check your answer. It is coming as 2.65. Yes, Ashwita, absolutely correct. Vinay, absolutely correct answer. So the correct answer is coming as 2.65. What is the correct answer? 2.65. Trikal Kundram children, come on, say me hi quickly. So the answer is coming as 2.65. Shall we go for the next question, Jotam? This one is crystal clear. Okay, 2.65, no problem. Now we'll go for the next question, please. Come on, go for this question. The line drawn from the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Come on, go for this question, please. 2.65 is absolutely correct, Jay. Come on, go for this question, Jay. What is the question given here? Is first note down this question. Jay, do you remember this question? Yeah. Jumping that part. From this section, one question is coming, boss.
I'm seeing that page.
This part questions you finished?
This one here.
Do.
This one.
Cos 3x by x you try. Then done. The last part question you do. Hi Surya. Veda, good evening, beta. Now look here, I'm going to solve this question, children. Come on, go for this question. This is a very, very important question. In this question, what is given to you? First, you check this one out, okay? Now look here. First, one triangle you are going to draw. And what they have given in this question, come on, check everyone. What is given to you in this question is the line drawn from midpoint of one side of a triangle. So first we are going to take a triangle AB and C. So you took a triangle AB and C. And in that what you are going to write first? So in the given section, because whenever any question is given, you need to write first given section. In given section, what you are going to write? In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC and D is the midpoint. But if any midpoint is there, means the midpoints divide the sides into two equal half. Good evening, beta. Yes, yesterday's class question. Yes, understood, beta. Now look here. This is a very important question. Came already in exam, and this is NCRT question also. So you must do this question very nicely. This is the midpoint. If this is the midpoint, means this side will be equal to this side. Midpoint divides the side into two equal halves. Understood? Midpoints divide the side into how many equal halves? Two equal halves. So once you have done that one, so here what it will become, beta? You can write here AD is equal to DB. Done na? Beta, understood? AD will be equal to DB. Done? Why? Because D is the midpoint. Now beta, what they told to prove? To prove that E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint, that is AE is equal to EC. Means if to prove E is the midpoint, it is sufficient to prove, very good Vinay, it is sufficient to prove that AE is equal to EC. What is given to you? D is the midpoint. What is given to you? D is the midpoint. Again, one more time I am explaining beta, don't worry. What is given? D is the midpoint. So if D is the midpoint, Ashish, that means if this is total 6 centimeter, this part will become 3 centimeter and this part will become 3 centimeter. Correct now? Then they are telling that, okay, if this D is the midpoint, then you have to prove E is the midpoint. And if E is the midpoint, means this by this. Tarun, understanding, beta? So now look here, beta. Okay, so this is equal to this. Okay, very good. Super beta. So now this part equal to this part you have to prove. Got it? Now in solution, what we are going to do, beta? In solution section, how we are going to proceed? We will say, since in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AB. There is a process of writing in geometry. Understood? So given to prove that and proof. Got it? So given to prove that, or here you can write proof. Which one understanding? Now beta, DE is parallel to BC. What is DE? DE is parallel to BC. Understood? Now look here. If it is parallel to BC, that means what beta? And okay, D is parallel to BC. Ah, beta. Now, okay, and D is the midpoint. And D is the midpoint. So, beta, if D is the midpoint, then what will happen? D is the midpoint. So, that means what? AD is equal to DB. Everything in proof part we have written. Now, using BPT, when you use BPT, this side by this side, what is given? When you will use BPT, what you are going to write? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Correct? Now, beta, AD by DB, already AD is equal to DB. Already AD is equal to DB. So here, instead of writing DB, can I write AD two times? And this will become AE by EC. This will cancel. It has come as 1 is equal to AE by EC. So therefore, AE is equal to EC. Here, how you used? Using equation 1. Now therefore, E is the midpoint. Understood? And that's what they told you. Okay, gamer. So that is the midpoint part, beta, and that's not a very big question. I hope you might have understood. Till here done? Note down, please. I'm giving you time. Please kindly, children, do it. A is equal to EC. Understood? So AD by D is equal to AE by EC. And once you are writing AD by DB is equal to A by EC, and beta already AD is equal to AD. We can write like that. And after that, only one small work left, beta. And that is, I hope everybody understood. Come on, children, tell me. Got it, Jotam? Done? Tough or easy, beta? Easy. So if one point is given parallel, we can solve the next part, beta. I hope. Okay, very good. So now Amudan done. Now we'll go for the next question, beta. Ready? Now look here. Amudan finished? Okay. So we'll go for the next part, please. Okay, Sharmila. Where is Maha, Kavya, Sophia, Anu? Now look here, beta. This is a good question. Come on, go for it, please. First, drawing you do. How many questions today we have done? Triangle chapter questions. Now, what is actually given in the question? Anyone tell me? Hmm. Absolutely. That means we'll start. Shall we do it, Peter? Can I solve? Can I try, children? First, you focus in what I am writing. After that, you focus in any other thing. He's simply answering the questions you are disturbing him. Huh? Okay, beta. I'll solve it. So just now we learned one concept now. In the previous question also, we have learned now what we have learned in the previous question. Now beta look here. Now one time I am going to solve it. Now let's check this one out, beta. First though we will draw the quadrilateral. We don't know anything. We will start from the beginning. Prove that the line segment joining the midpoints of adjacent sides of a quadrilateral. So first we drew a quadrilateral like this. Anything. Done. Now we will name it as beta A, B, C, D. Done. So once we have done this one, now first what we will do is, now what is the midpoint of AB? We will take midpoint of AB as P. Now what we will take as midpoint of this one? Q. And then we will take midpoint as R, and this point midpoint as S. Now we need to join this. And now what we have to prove? We have to prove that it is a parallelogram. For proving it is a parallelogram, what we need to prove that opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. For that beta, we will just do one construction. We will join AC. Done? We are joining what? AC. What I did? I joined AC. Just understood. Now I got how many triangles beta? Two triangles. How many triangles I got? This triangle and this triangle. Correct? Any connectivity can I draw, beta? Tell me. Now look here, only one work. So in triangle, I'll just write the concept here. So first we will start with in quadrilateral, ABCD, P comma Q comma R comma S are the midpoints of sides AB, BC, CD and AD respectively. We must write the word respectively. Respectively means P is for AB, Q is for BC, R is for CD and S is for AD. That is the meaning of respectively. I hope you might have understood, beta. So now please stop and do your work. So now here, beta, P, Q, R, S are what, beta? Midpoints. What they are? Midpoints of corresponding sides A, B, B, C, C, D and A, D. Okay. Now we will first take triangle A, B, C. Okay. So first we will take in triangle ABC. Which triangle, beta? ABC triangle. So first triangle ABC, P and Q are the midpoints. P and Q are the midpoints. So if P and Q are the midpoints, what will come, beta? Understood. P and Q are the midpoints. So if P and Q are the midpoints, what we are going to write here, beta? So if this is midpoint and this is midpoint, so if we can join this, means it will become what? This will be parallel to this, correct na? Because midpoints joining will be parallel to this one, okay? So therefore, midpoints of sides AB and BC respectively. Therefore, PQ will be parallel to AC. Here one thing construction you can say, in construction you can say joining AC. Joining AC. In construction if you wish you can write joining. In construction if you wish you can write joining AC, beta. Understood. So now which triangle we are going to say? Triangle. Now in triangle. Got it. Now in triangle ADC. Now beta S and R are what? S and R are midpoints. So if beta they are midpoints, then what we can write? Midpoints of sides AD and DC respectively. Understood. AC and AD and DC respectively. Then we can say that SR is parallel to AC. This is first part and this is second part. So from equation 1 and 2, we cannot write equation. From 1 and 2 directly we can write. Okay. So here from 1 and 2 directly we can write. From 1 and 2 we can write PQ is parallel to SR. Similarly what will happen? PS will be parallel to RQ, QR. Hence PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. That's it. Got it? So see, similarly we can prove the opposite sides. Okay. Similarly we can prove the opposite sides also, beta. So I hope you might have understood this section, beta. This is not a tough section. This is exactly an easy question. Done? Finished? Super. We'll go for the next question. This is dependent on this formulas, beta. This formula. First, you note down the formula, then it will help you. Yes, if you know the formula,
This part also,
huh?
this also,
Shobit, huh?
this part also done.
Yes, absolute. Good. This part done, na? Then directly go with these type of questions. Angle C plus angle D. Don't leave it. Finish these questions today. I hope you might have understood this one now. So it's not a tough question, it's an easy question. If you will be solving this question, miss, see, did we did any big work here? No. Only what we have done is we drew on construction one line like this, and then we said this and this are the midpoint. So this will be parallel to this one. And oppositely, we will, if we will draw like this, then this and this are the midpoint, this and this are the midpoint. So this is parallel to this one. So that means this is a parallelogram. This will become a parallelogram. Actually, every year from my coaching, there is a from past 8 years or 10 years from our coaching, everyone they are getting good marks, and we are continuously delivering 100 marks in maths and 100 marks in science. We are not saying, we are just doing our work silently. Last year, topper was Alvin, who got 100 in maths and 100 in science. Got it? So nearly two or three students are getting like that. We are silently doing our work without, yes. Next toppers also we have selected, and we know who is going to get. So previously we don't say, we just prepare them day and night. Before exams we are not watching day and night beta. Before exams 3 3 hours, 4 4 hours I am standing and I am teaching them. Yes, and they are giving it and continuously. This is a record from our coaching. Only one place we are breaking our record, and that is for 12th. Still now for our 12th highest is 99. Yes, 100 is 99. Some of the our students are in IIT now. Some of the students are in very different place. Neat they are exactly. Yes, and beta, social science also. We have faculty for social also, maths also, science. Math science I am teaching. So that's the only pain that in 12th still now highest is 99. And my very topper students got 99. Still now unable to give 100. That's pain from my side.
This question how to
Sin C cos C plus cos D formula beta. 2 cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Directly use that formula. Yes, beta. And this year also I'm planning. It's not about only toppers or very intellectual students can give you 100. Anyone can get 100. That's the most important thing is anyone can get 100. And this is a very good question, children. First note down this question. This question is NCRT question, and this question already came in board exam 2 times. So beta, please kindly do this question very properly. Come on, go for it. And that's what this year, from November itself, we will start our final preparation. Then only till February, 100% my leaders will be starting. In my logo itself is today's readers, tomorrow's leaders. Okay. Thank you so much. Bless you all. Rajhans Yadav, na? Okay.
this one
Hmm?
in
Now,
more late.
then to directly, it is getting trouble for you. You know what? You did wrong. Uh, you need to break it, beta. You need to break. Sine 4x will become sine 2x, sine 2x. Sine 4x is, yes. So you can write like that. Now 4x part will be splitting. but 2x, 2 sine 2x, 2 sine 2x and cos 2x you have written. After that down sin x. Then again this one sine 2x you break now. It will become 2 to the 4 sin x into cos x. Then sin x will get cancelled. Now it 4. Then it is coming in the formula cos a cos b now. So cos of a plus b. Now this time it will become 3 and this. Then differentiate. Correct only.
This will be correct.
That formula will come na beta, cos c plus cos d formula, right? Formula 2 cos c plus d by 2. That means 5x plus 4x will become 9x by 2 and 5x minus 4x by 2. Like that it will come. Okay, now can I solve this question, beta? Now look here. Any idea how to solve this question, children? Come on, look here. First work is, if they will be asking you one question, the question is what given? Any point x inside triangle DEF is joined to its vertices. So any point x is joined to its vertices. So now look here, beta. First work is, we will draw the part what they are asking from us. See, any point x inside triangle DEF. This is triangle DEF. Can I make it big? This is triangle DEF. D, E, F. Done. Now, beta, they're telling that any point x, it is joining to this point is x, and this is joining to the vertices of triangle DEF. Work over. After that, what they are telling? From a point P on dx, dx point P. From a point P on dx, PQ is drawn parallel to DE. PQ is drawn parallel to, that means it will touch XE, done. After that, what they are telling? Meeting XE at Q, done. Then QR is drawn parallel to EF. QR is drawn parallel to EF. After that, what they are telling? Prove that PR is parallel to DF. PR is parallel to DF. This is actually, we need to prove this one. So this parallel to this we have to prove. Okay. So question is easy. Huh? So now look here, beta. First work is in given part. What is given, beta? So whatever is written now, by that you write in the given. So whatever question is given, you write here in the given section. Got it? And beta, what is to prove that? To prove that PR parallel to DF. Okay, beta. So now first we will take one triangle, this one, and then we will take this triangle. So first we will take this triangle. I'm just coloring it with different color so that you can take. First we will take this triangle, and then we will take which triangle, beta? This triangle. Got it? So these two triangles we will take. So first what we'll write? In triangle DXE. First which triangle we are taking? In triangle. In triangle. In proof section, we'll write in triangle. In triangle DXE. In triangle DXE. What is given, beta? PQ is parallel to DE. What is given parallel? Online children. So beta, look here. This is already given in the question. PQ is parallel to DE. So by BPT theorem, what you can write? By BPT theorem, what you can write? XP by PD is equal to XQ by QE. Take this as equation 1, one triangle over. Now look here, I am explaining one more time. Done? Very good, Vinay. Now look here, beta. First we have taken this triangle and we told this one is parallel to this one. That means this by this equal to this by this. By BPT theorem, sides are proportional now. So what we will write, beta? XP by PD equal to XQ by QE. Which one understanding? So if a triangle, only think about this triangle. So beta, this is parallel to this, means this corner by this and this part by this done. Now we will take another triangle. Which is the another triangle, Vishwa? In triangle XEF. Understood? So in triangle XEF, again which theorem we are going to use? BPT theorem. What we are going to write? QR is parallel to EF. It is given, na? This is given. Here also parallel part is given. Got it? So now beta directly we can write what? XQ by QE equal to XR by RF by BPT theorem. So by BPT this will become what beta? Equation 2. Now can you see anything common between this equation and this equation? Any side is common? Tell me. Understood? Okay, so that means what beta? Which side is coming as common beta? This side is equal to this side. Understood? So this and this are same na. So directly can I write this equal to this? Huh? That means what? What we are getting is XP by PD. XP by PD. XP by PD equal to XR by RF. Did we got this side beta? And did you notice one thing? We got this by this and this by this. So if in this triangle we are getting this side by this side is equal to this side by this side, then by converse of BPT this is parallel to this. Got it? So here after that nothing, right? Thus by converse of BPT, PR is parallel to DF. Proved. Did you got it, beta? PR is parallel to DF. Understood? Very good.
I include this to cos cube x
Question
minus
show me.
how to do this.
Show me which question.
This.
No, we are not supposed to, because how you people will be able to know that this we need to do, correct?
How we understand we know that we have to multiply and divide by x. Sine
Yeah, without multiplication, how you will be able to know? Sin A, cos C, I. We will be finding some shortcut way. 1 minus C.
then
Another
I have
formula we
doubt.
can. Yes, say.
Like in integration, we can able to get different type of answer for one question and another.
Yes. We can get
So in
different
the
type of answers.
examination, how they will allocate the mark? Because every individual will use different answers.
Yes, beta. Different answers we are getting. Thank you, beta. Thank you. God bless you. Understood. For integration, we are getting different type of answers.
Then how they will mark allocate the mark? And in the answer
Your
sheet,
steps should be clear. Your steps should be correct.
so they
They'll be
will
giving
give
you.
step by step.
Yes. Now, beta, is it done? Shall we go for the next question, please? Now, look here. So, this is that question we have done. We will go for the next question. Come on, go for this question, beta. In a triangle, D and D are the points of side AB and AC respectively, such that BD is equal to EC. If angle B is equal to C, show that D is parallel to BC. This is just reverse part. Can you go for it, please? Go for it, beta. Urvish. Tapaswini's screen is not visible. What happened? Come on, write down the question, please. Come on, go for it, please. Jenny. Yes, Jenny. Thank you so much. Very good, beta. This is a very simple question and it's nothing to prove. Big things are not there to prove in this question. I'm not wearing jacket and anything. अब तो पिटेगा मेरे हाथ से बुरी तरह से. Done? I will be seeing that question, beta, because they have done something different there. They multiplied sine 3x there, huh? After this, your class only is there, na? We'll discuss this question. Huh? No one will not sleep in the class if this type of questions will be done. Okay, beta, just पिटेगा मेरे हाथ से. Now look here, beta. In triangle, seriously, you are disturbing everyone. Now look here. In triangle ABC, that is A, B, C. What is given, beta? B, E are the sides. D is the side of AB and E is the side of AC respectively, such that BD is equal to CE. This side is equal to this side given. This BD is equal to CE. Now, if angle B is equal to angle C, if this is X and this is X, you need to show that DE is parallel to BC. You need to show that D is parallel to BC. Now, what contents we are going to do? By converse of BPT, do we need what actually we are going to do? Tell me. Because offline, no problem, no problem. No problem. तो मस्ती करो. Enjoy. Now, beta, understand one thing. So, angle B is equal to angle C given, na beta. So, you know one theorem. What is the theorem given, beta? BPT. Sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Correct, na? Super. So, sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Then what you are going to write? AC is equal to AB. See, if angle B is equal to angle C, that means this side will be equal to this side. By which theorem, beta? Sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Equal angles of a triangle are equal. Now, beta, here, can we do one work? Now, look here. Nothing big we need to do. Ma'am, trigonometry samajh nahi aaya aati. In that, already we have studied, beta. One more time, I am going to explain that one. Don't worry. So, whatever is given, will you be able to write? Done. Whatever is given, will you be able to write? What we have to prove that? To prove that DE is parallel to BC. Done. Now we will start proof section. So what we will write? In triangle ABC, what is given? Angle B is equal to angle C. So what we can write? AB is equal to AC by sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Understood? Once you have written this one, now beta, this side is equal to this side, correct? Huh? Now can I write AB can be written as total AB can be written as AD plus DB? AD plus DB. Now AE can be written as AE plus EC. Already in the question, what is given? BD is equal to EC. So instead of this one, AD plus EC is equal to AE plus EC. Cancel. That means AD is equal to AE. Already this equal to this given. Now we prove this equal to this. So that means what? D and E are midpoints. What is D and D? D and D are midpoints. So since D and D are considered as what? Midpoints. So midpoints will be exactly when you join two midpoints opposite to one side. That means they will always be parallel to the third side. Are you understanding? They'll be what? Parallel to the third side. That's what the logic is. So therefore, DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, what is parallel to BC, beta? DE will be parallel to BC. I hope you might have understood. DE part will be parallel to BC. This is what you need to do. DE part will become parallel to BC. I hope till here you have understood, beta. Correct, na? What we did, we said this, if this is equal to this, that means this side will be equal to this side. And then we open this side. This plus this equal to this plus this. Already this half is equal to this half. So we cancelled this. So directly what is coming? AD is equal to AE. So once this section is done, so what we can write? D and E are the midpoints. I'm writing here AD is equal to AE. Therefore, D and E are midpoints. So if D and E are midpoints, beta, that means DE is parallel to BC. That means what? DE is parallel to BC. I hope you might have understood. So these things, I hope you have got it. So how to solve the questions, beta? I hope the class was okay for you. How many questions on an average we have solved, beta? Can you tell me? 6. In the span of 53 minutes, how much we have solved? Okay, 6 questions done. That's wonderful. Correct? So now how many questions we have in this lot? I'll add more questions based on the other part. So I think one question, many questions. So next class we are going to do these questions. Okay? Bye for now. Now I'm having 12th class with me. So bye everyone. Have a nice evening.